Hello everyone, welcome to our education channel. Today we will learn about the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is a rule in mathematics. It helps us find the length of a side in a triangle. This rule works only with a right-angled triangle. A right angle is 90 degrees. A right-angled triangle has 3 sides. 2 sides are short. 1 side is the longest. The longest side is called the hypotenuse. It is opposite the right angle. The formula is very simple. A square plus b square equals c square. Square means number times itself. For example, 2 square is 2 times 2. Let us see an example. If one side is 3 and the other side is 4, 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So the longest side is 5. We use this rule in many places. It is used in buildings and roads. It is used in engineering and measuring land. The Pythagorean theorem is easy to learn. It is very useful in mathematics. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our education channel.